Hi everyone, I'm really excited to test out this new GX300 dash cam because this camera has a lot of features that a lot of other dash cams just don't have. And I'm going to tell you all about it while I open up the box. There's not much on the outside to see. It does just indicate that this dash cam comes with a 32 gigabyte SD card, which you can use for storage, and it actually comes with that. So that's one thing right there that this dash cam has that others don't. It actually comes with the storage that you need. So it just says thank you on the front of the box, and here is just a user manual. So this is just a simple manual to help you get started and help you get the camera up and running. It tells you a little bit about what's in the box, but we're going to take a look at all of that. Shows you how to get that SD card in there to record everything, and just how to use the app and everything you need to know right inside that box. Here is just a quick installation if you want to use this. This actually talks about the Wi-Fi, so that is another feature that this camera has. It does have Wi-Fi, so you don't have to worry about losing connection or losing the storage. You have it all through the app and it works with Wi-Fi. So here is the camera itself, and I wanted to show you how sleek is this camera. So I absolutely love how simple it is and how small, because this is not going to block your view on your dashboard, and that to me is super important. So this camera will attach to your windshield right here, and you can just stick it right up, and it's also adjustable, so you can kind of tip it any way you want so you can get the best view for your specific car. So it does have a protective coating right there, so we'll just peel that off when I'm ready to install it. You can see on the side here it has just a switch, and that is where you're going to put the micro SD card right in there, and you can close it up just so it doesn't fall out. And here is the camera lens itself on the front. Sorry, here's the camera lens. And on the back here are just some really simple buttons. So it has record, it has, you can turn the Wi-Fi on, you can turn the volume up. And up here, up top, it does have just where the dash cam for the rear camera is going to go. So you're going to plug it in right there, and that is just where the charger is going to go. So super simple buttons, so easy to use, nice and small. Look, fits in the palm of my hand. It's not going to block your view at all, but it's completely adjustable, so you really can get that customized view. So no matter what kind of car you have, this dash cam is going to work amazing. So let me open up the box here. And inside, the first thing that I took out, this is just the rear dash cam. So this one right here is what is going to go in your rear window. So you're gonna, again, just stick it on here. You're gonna peel that off. You can adjust it again, so it's completely adjustable. You just twist this, and that is what is going to be linked to the other camera. So here's the rear one, and here is the front camera. So both of them have HD picture, and they actually have Sony Starvis image. So that is a very, very clear image that you can use. That's gonna really ensure that you have a perfect, crystal clear view of everything that's happening while you're driving. So here is one of the cords. This is actually the cord that's going to connect the rear dash cam to the front. So here's just the part where you're going to plug that in. So you'll just plug this into this wire, and the other end is going to go into the front camera. And you can see it's a really nice long wire. That extra long wire can fit in any kind of car, so you can connect the cameras even in a really big SUV. There'll be no problem. This is the next thing inside. This is just the SD adapter. So your micro SD was inside the front camera, and once you have it recorded, you're just going to stick it inside that little slot to upload your pictures to your computer. The next thing inside is another cord right here. So this looks like the power cord that you can use, and the power cord is just going to connect to your car, and make sure that you always have battery and it's just always running. So this one is just going to be connected all the time. And on this cord, sorry, I just want to show you. Let me open this one up, because it does right here have the Wi-Fi. So this little signal right here is what is going to be giving you Wi-Fi connection while you're driving. So the last thing inside the box is just some extra sticky pads, some clips right here. These clips are going to help hold up those cords and in the car, so that the cord running from the front dash cam and the rear aren't going to get any connected at all or tangled up, and it is going to work great. So I cannot wait to go set this up in my car, test it out, and tell you guys how it works. So before I go ahead and install the camera in my car, I just did want to point out one thing that I missed the first time I was opening the box. So this is actually the power cord, which we talked about before, but it is a hard wire power cord. So you are going to need to hardwire this to your car. They do sell a USB cord that you can use, and also a cord that can connect into your cigarette lighter, and you can get those as optional accessories. But with the amount that you're going to use this camera, it's definitely worth just hardwiring it into your car. You are going to get that speed camera detection, you're going to get the Wi-Fi, you're going to get that AI detection, front and rear cam, the auto night vision, everything. So you can go for the optional accessories if you'd like to, but you can also just use the cord that came with the camera and hardwire it right into your car. So again, I'm going to go ahead now and hardwire this in, download that app, and get started. So you can
Manual recording will now start.
It is raining on the day that I recorded, so it is a little bit gloomy outside. But you can see that really wide angle. You can see how it picks up every single car going down the road. It also did alert me when there was a speed camera and also a red light. And it just worked really simply. It was easy to install, very quick to set up, and I love the clear picture out of both the front and the rear camera. And even though it's raining, you can see how well it works. So I would definitely recommend this camera if you want to get really optimum view all the way around your car and are looking for a nice, easy setup and a really useful app that's going to really give you a lot of great features as you're driving. So thanks everybody, and I hope you found this helpful, and I would definitely recommend giving this camera a try. Thanks.